Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up your Mailchimp. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is go ahead and open any kind of browser that you are using, and from there we will start this tutorial. So first of all, let's go ahead and search for Mailchimp, and that's it. So let's search for the Mailchimp marketing thing. So here it is, and here it is. So now what do we need to do is basically let's talk first about this tool. This tool basically helps you marketing and helps you make your mails go to much more people. So now if you want to see their traffication, the aspiration, if you want to see anything about them, you can of course check their website. So there is the planification that they can give you. They can give you 2k 500 per month for free version. This is the premium version, which is 5k. They have also like a standard version, which is 6k, and the premium, which is the 150k. Here there is users, so limited user, 5 users, 3 users, 1 user, and the list goes on. So how we can actually get that? Basically what you have to do is just choose whatever pack do you want. So for example, let's go for the free one. Let's click on here, and what we're gonna do is press our email. Here we will put our let's put it as well, and here let's put our password. So let's copy something from here, or let's just make some password. So let's make it that way, and yeah, that looks good. I don't want to receive emails about this, so let's click here, let's make an ad and something like that. All right, now we click on sign up, and the account will be created. So right after that, you will be check your email. So you have to check your email, and then you will be ready to start marketing your emails, doing your stuff, doing whatever you'd like. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.